Oh. Hi, Leather Rokk here. As you can see, I bleached my roots. I was successful. Nothing broke off. How does it look in the back? Did I mess up? If I messed up, you see it before I did. Now, when I do my bleach, I don't know if other people do this, but first of all, I think the whole process to do it yourself is a real pain in the butt. And the wise guys, and you can say, well, Leather, if it's a pain in the butt, you're doing it wrong. Well, one of the things to drag about it, besides not being able to see behind my head, like when I first started doing this, when I've been bleaching my roots, I've been bleaching my hair since I was 15. And back then, when I was 15, we had in the medicine cabinet mirror, it was a three-way mirror, so you could see behind yourself. And I would be able to do the partings, and I would be able to feel. And of course, I always had somebody like my mother to spot for me and stuff to make sure that I didn't miss a spot. So, but having to do it when nobody's awake and you don't know if you're getting it right, and I'm always worried about it breaking off. Well, I was about to put my dye in my hair because I slightly did a blow dry on it, but I basically went to bed with a wet head. And the hair has to be bone dry before you start putting the colors in, because I learned from personal experience, if your hair is not bone dry, the colors will take more see-through, more transparent, more lavender, more transparent, and all those things that I don't want it to be. So, I want you to see the hair one final time before I start putting the color in it, because certain people said that they thought it looked really, really cool. So, but I'm not going out with it today because I'm going to see a female AC/DC tribute band. So, I really want to be back to my normal purple self. So, these are the dyes I'm going to be using. Some combination of these are going to be on my head. I really am looking forward to trying these out. These are two different shades, and this color is nice and bright, but I'm not sure how long it lasts though. I really was disappointed in how fast the hair dye faded last time. This is tried and true for me. I'm going to use that a lot, but I only got one jar of it when I went to the store the other day because it went up in price. This I love. It's $3.99, and this is only an ounce. Yeah, ounce and a half. So, and this stuff has a reputation for staining the pillowcase a lot. So, you think I care about my pillowcases being stained? Besides, if I really am that worried, I know how to cover them with a t-shirt. This dye here, I believe this washed out kind of fast. But I will always try a new brand to see what the performance is like, to see what the color is. I'm always looking for that. So this here, and plum. If I do too much of the plum though, from my personal experience, it photographs dark blue. And I really hate when digital photography makes my purple look blue. I even had one of my California identification cards looked like I had blue hair, and it wasn't. It was a fresh dye job, and it had a lot of that plum color in it, and it photographed blue, and it really irritated me. So, okay, enough of this. I need to go start doing my hair. I'm going to do it. The next video that you see will be during the dye process. I just wanted to show you some of the colors I was going to be using, but I got to get it done because I have to be at the concert at 5 o'clock today, and I can't go to the concert until I'm all dyed and everything. So when my hair's got some color, I will talk to you soon. As I always say, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, please do so. Then hit that bell notification thingy, and when you do, you'll know every time I make my next upload. I upload 3 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, and I'd love to have you join my family. Until then, talk to you later. Bye.